Tirumular, 2000 years back, he told about the middle path. After 2000 years of Tirumular, the PSSM has come to spread middle path all over the world. The truth always stays. Whether it is Tirumular, Buddha, or Jesus, or Srikant Gala, all are same. Duty in the family, duty in the body, duty to take care of yourself, your whims and fancies, duty to take care of your spiritual evolution, duty to take care of others' whims and fancies, duty to take care of others' spiritual evolution. Very important. See, today morning, I wrote a message from Thinking and Destiny by Harold W. Percival. Today morning, in my messages. Every day I write a message, select a passage from a book. For the past 6 months I am doing it from Thinking and Destiny. Better read that book if you are intelligent. You must read that book. So today's message is that the futility of human thinking. Human mind is very, very stupid. Everybody's human mind. Every human being's mind is stupid. If the human mind is stupid, the thinking that comes from the human mind is also stupid. He is like that, I am like this. It's all futile. 99% of human thinking is futile. Wasted. It is called a futility of human thinking. We don't think at all. There is no way to think. When you observe the breathing, immediately you go into no thinking. Then you understand the futility of human thinking, which you have been doing otherwise, until you came into meditation, until you came to the breath. वो ठीक है क्या, ये ठीक है क्या, वो कौन सा ठीक है, कौन सा गलत है. We keep on analysis. You are possessed of a stupid human mind and you want to analyze everything with a stupid mind. Your knife is not at all sharp and you want to cut everything with your knife, which is very blunt, which is not at all sharp. Is it not a futile effort to try to cut everything with a knife which is not at all sharp? No human mind is wise. Every human mind is stupid. And everybody wants to analyze everything with that stupid mind. No. So he wastes a whole lifetime trying to cut everything with a blunt knife. Nothing is getting cut. Still trying. But he is not observing that life itself is blunt. Human mind itself is blunt. The human mind is futile thinking. How much money I want to make? Futile thinking. When you become enlightened, you realize the futility of human thinking. You don't think at all. I don't think at all. There's nothing to think. There's nothing to think about myself. What is there for me to think about myself?